to my confusion how just one make can create this much traffic. I am not late, but I feel like I am because I only just arrived and it seems thousands of cars have already pulled in, including S14, which is weird because this is Ford Fair at Silverstone. The phrase boy racer is often twinged with this audience, which is fine because crucially they are entertaining. The word unique will be thrown around a lot today, although I can't. What is that? Is that part of it? Yes, it's. Oh, it's been torn open to some graffiti. Focus. Out of focus. This year has been the year of the Cosworth, however. So Escort Cosworth, Sapphire Cosworth, Sierra Cosworth. Hello. Grr, angry Focus is angry. Grr. This Focus isn't even a Focus. They brought a Supra. The boy racer connotation was proven last year when I got pulled over on my way here in my 350Z. I wasn't even showing at the event and yet they targeted me in my bright yellow car. So that's what we've got. And a lot of colour, which is good. I'm afraid to say your Fiesta's a little bit smoky. As ever, the queue goes on for miles. Again, due to this year's popularity, even I was stuck in traffic on my way here. Normally, I'm the first one here. I film everyone arrive and I failed. There goes Postman Pat if he was the Pope. He's through with standing in lines. I remember this from previous years, the pink Focus RS. Surprised I haven't heard many... Any of that yet? Oh, he started something. Fiesta Mark 7's joined in. And the Focus stays spooky. Ah, yes, the truth. Oh, military green, going for the camo look, but then bright blue to distract from the camouflage. The revs give away your location somewhat as well. Oh, look, a Ferrari. Someone's bought himself an air filter. Loving the colour of the wheels on the Focus RS. Someone shouted at hello. Oh yes, 5-cylinder Mondeo. With those RS-sized pipes. Oh, the term fixed or repaired daily is coming into play. There's actually 2 cars with bonnets on. A sticker-bombed Mustang. It's got the vibes of the Focus STs, but with a V8. And one of the spokes goes round and round, much like the other ones, but in yellow. They're playing the EastEnders theme song in the Mustang, bobbing along to it like a vibe. I'd like to point out some of the club names on the side of cars today. You got Ford Hoons with a Z. Oh, the Fiesta's also part of the Ford Hoons with a Z. Oh, there's a bit of smoke to go with the bonnets up now as well. It's not on fire, is it? No. A police van has stopped to tell some of the people to get back into their vehicles and leave the broken down cars there on his own. Yeah, the front view are now all right. His bonnet was up. It's just that rear smoky one that the police are attending. Lovely colour on the Mondeo. You've got the Ford Popular as well, and a Ford Pro. That fan's working away after the traffic. Kudos to these chaps though. It's not easy being green. He's even wearing green. Fix or repair daily. So when you see broken down cars like that, not only Fords, they remind you why it's so important to do a car vertical check when buying your car, whether it's a Ford or otherwise. For example, we have this Mazda RX-7. You can see a bit of a clue there, but look, mileage is all good, finance status is good, but damage, it's been written off. This has photo evidence as well on the car vertical report. So when you're buying a car, you can double check a car's history, whatever the car is. Just put its number plate in. Look, there's a lot of damage there. I mean, is that a bit of fire as well? I mean, it is a rotary, so maybe. Yeah, that's not a healthy. That's quite a bad one. Yeah, you wanna avoid buying that car. It hasn't been stolen at least. No issues have been found there. You can get 20% off using my discount code of AdamC. You can download the app. You can use it on your computer. It's very easy to use. Just need the number plate or the VIN. Either way, when you're buying a car, or if you're a little bit unsure about a smoky car you've bought. So thanks to Car Vertical for sponsoring today's video. Oh dear, have we got another fix or repair daily, or do they? I think they just need the toilet maybe. Now this is what we come to expect. The rally cars, the Mark II and Mark 2.5 Focus STs with their spotlights, with their livery, their stickers, and their pops and bangs. Oh no, maybe not, because police have joined. So we have pink, there's grey with orange, and my favourite of the trio, the Shell livery. And we go from a Shell livery to the Bosch livery on the Capri, and a Focus ST. this. It's one of the first Focus STs to do that. Oh, now I'm going to need to cross, so all the red Fiestas are there. Oh, middle fingers there. Little middle finger there. Give me another one. Revolutions, I'll take that. There's the Mustang behind. Oh, he won. Yeah, he beats you. That's quite a whole convoy of Mustangs. The sound comes from underneath, despite having rear exits as well. And apparently that's a GT850, self-proclaimed. That was inside my brain. And an Asbo ST. Oh, talk about width. Look at that. Is that a supercharger right here up front as well? The Ghost. That's more like a Ghost. Those arches are the chunkiest I've seen all day. All those louvers over the windows as well. This Mustang's cosplaying as a Teletubby. I wonder how Sue looks today. What we got here? Cameron Joel. Hello, Cameron Joel. Seems the Hulk woke up on the wrong side of the bed today. And zooming back down to the traffic, the police are now controlling the traffic, making 2 lanes out of 1. Got another show for you as well. This weekend is the British Motor Show, and you can get 50% off tickets. There's another link in the video description. Go find that with the car vertical link as well. I'm treating you. We're going for a bump start. Oh. No, we're going for a jump start. Oh no, we're going for a tow. Okay. Fix or repair daily. Look at the sporty little KA. Oh, there's a pair of them. You got the Sport KA with some rust running down it, and the Street KA with probably a rusty fuel cap. We can't see it. And another Sport KA and another Street KA. Number 66. I have owned a Ford before. I owned one of those for about 2 weeks and then gave it back. There goes Pooh and friends. Within this gang of Mustangs, there's the sheriff's car. A sheriff whose purpose is to punish and enslave. Ooh, what's a beefy rear end? Wait, is that a Celine bumper on a Focus? You're about to witness the hilarity of a banana. It's quite humorous because, you know, it's long and large and yellow in colour. Fix or repair daily? I think so. The sticker tells the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. And going by the passengers and their expressions, this sticker tells the truth too. And for your viewing entertainment, we've got more KAs. This one's got a skateboard deck as a spoiler. You got yellow, imperial blue with yellow. Hello. This could be amongst the first of the new generation of Mustang that I've seen. Left-hand drive, imported from the States. I'll fix or repair daily. YMCA. I know that police have Fords in their fleet, but they've chosen Volvos today, which is almost appropriate, going by the Mark II Focus RS that's passing by. They look furious at how fast they're not going. Oh. And back at the top of the hill, another non-Ford police vehicle has arrived. I'm going to time this officer, see how long he lasts. I reckon 9 minutes. So we're at past now, let's see when he leaves. Although he's got a Volvo joining him now. Get the noisy Mustang out the way for the Volvo and the 2 officers. And the Mark II Escorts Estate. Another Volvo. I guess they've presumed that no more policing is required further down there. To 3 minutes. That's all how long he lasted. The difficulty now, however, is whilst we've still got a few cars flowing in, suddenly no one from the north is arriving. And whilst usually that would be a good thing, for me it's not, because I've still got an hour and a quarter until like general public who don't own Fords can get in. At least now the flow is a lot better, as cars have more space to show off their eco boostings. Wow, that was a good sound. No props, no bangs, just 5-cylinder screams. It's being followed up by some Mustangs, Escort Closet. That is pristine. Even the unmarked police choose Volvos as their weapons of choice today. The unmarked also choose BMWs today. Still no Fords. One of these sounds impressive. What's going on? I think, is it the red one? Oh, the exhaust was out the bonnet and the screamer. But it's got to the stage whereby no one else is arriving, and I've still got half an hour to wait till I can go in. So I'm going to get in the car park, see what's in the car park, then go inside. That'll be a separate video, the walking around the show. We're going to see so many uniquely modified cars. Make sure you hit that bell when you subscribe to be notified of that video, because it's one of my favourites. You see I've dumped the 350Z. It's quite cool. It's a big bright yellow billboard to tell everyone that I'm here filming the cars arriving, and it's a little bit dirty. Oh, an MGB! Still quite a few. Oh, that was boosted Sierra there. Did you see that?
Ah, and this is my cue to get in.
So I'm parked. We're going to see what else is also parked, and then might go watch some track action, show you that, and then obviously the walk around will be in a separate video. There's some parts and shoes. The Predator's taken up 2 spaces. This Fiesta was here last year. I noticed it's got the wide arches that he still hasn't filled yet, but you can see the vision. Mark 8 Fiesta, spoiler, and Mickey Mouse's finger. Of course, if anyone fancied owning this car, they couldn't. The tow... Wait, that surely... Is that meant to be where you tow the car from and it's screwed into the... I don't think that's right. Well, there you have it, the first car park spot. I saw this go by. So we've got cream-coloured headlight covers on that, the racing stripes, a flag from a country, and a spoiler. Fiesta, called Phoebe, part of the Skits Z crew, and Asbo Ant has white, matte black, satin green, and white and purple. Look, the pinstripe on the back of this Fiesta matches the hub. And much like the Predator earlier, some more Predators taking up 2 spaces. And certainly the lowest Polo of the day. I can't quite work out whether that bird is meant to be there, because it's almost perfectly central. No, I think he's just centrally hit the bird. He's debadged it, but applied the bird. But I've got to join the queue to get in and see the track action, which fortunately is humongously long. I have never seen it this long. It goes down the car park and beyond. Fortunately, the queue moved quite quickly, and even more fortunately, first thing we can see, the MX-5 Mark 1 doing some skids. Oh, they've just summoned me and told me I'm going in one of the cars, so I'll take that. Oh, boosted 350. Love that. Quite the surprise to be whisked away by PH Drift and chucked into an E36 compact. Right, so we're in an E36. What the crowd are watching. Here we go.
That's what happened when you go drifting.
Yeah. Well, didn't expect to do that at the start of the day.
They've hotboxed the 350Z with tyre smoke. Look at it pouring out. At least I hope it's tyre smoke. I love seeing the Z4s have a go. It's not a car you typically see on the drift pad. Spoiler on that's incredible. That was a short video of the cars arriving at Ford Fair to give you an idea of what's turned up. Now I'm going to do a video of walking around the show, seeing what has turned up, seeing the cars I missed because I'm a bit late. That'll be in a separate video, of course, so hit that bell when you subscribe to be notified for that video. So follow me on all my social channels for updates, highlights and pictures of these shows that I go to and more. And hit join when you subscribe to be notified of where I'm going to be next and all the shows in the country each week that I know about. But for now, thanks for watching.